Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a deep sea effect in your iClone 8 3D animation software. And everything will be really cool if you can make this. I'm going to show you all the step by step, start from beginning. So first I'm going to just start a fresh new iClone 8 project and everything will start from beginning. And next, the render I will just show the viewport resolution. And then I'm going to just drag in a picture. For now I have a picture. This is a picture. I'm going to just edit, drag and drop to the background. Alright, now Ctrl G. Look at my picture. It is at somewhere in the folder. I drag and drop to the background in this way. Then here I'm going to just add a effect. I will just go to here under the particle legacy, then scroll down until you can see the water ripple. Then you will see a deep water. Just double click it, then it will be somewhere there. Just play. Once you play and render slowly, after a few seconds you can see that this is really a deep water effect. If you want to render some video like underwater diving, etc., you can add this into the effect with some light refractions and some of the water elements that look like you are deep underwater. Alright, everything will be really easy. If you press Ctrl G, play again. This is just a background picture. At the same time, now it already begin to have the deep water ripple. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make the deep water effect, especially the deep sea. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.